All right, welcome. Today, we are going to build your very first LinkedIn profile, right from scratch. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but this isn't just about creating another account on another website. This is about building the foundation for your professional future. And the best part? It's way easier than you think, and honestly, it's absolutely essential.
So, let me just ask you this. What if you could create a powerful, living, breathing digital CV right from your living room? One that actually gets you noticed by the people who matter? Well, that is exactly what LinkedIn is for, and we're going to get yours set up right now.
With a tool like LinkedIn, you're not just tossing your resume out into the great unknown and hoping for the best. Nope. You are actively opening doors. You can connect directly with recruiters, find those amazing work-from-home opportunities, and actually get your name on the shortlist for interviews. And beyond that, it's where you can follow the leaders in your field and build a professional brand that's all about your skills. No biases, just you.
Okay, so let's get into it. First up, your professional gateway. Because you really need to think of LinkedIn as way more than just a website.
So what is it, really? Well, the easiest way to wrap your head around it is this: it's a professional networking platform. Just think of it like Facebook or Instagram, but instead of sharing vacation pics, it's all about your career, your skills, your accomplishments, and finding new opportunities.
Now, let's talk about why having a LinkedIn profile has kind of gone from a nice-to-have to an absolute must. It's become your digital first impression in the job market today.
And here's the thing. This is the reality of it. Recruiters will tell you, the data shows, companies are checking out your LinkedIn profile before they even bother to open your resume file. It's basically the new front door to your entire career. And this is a really important point. It's also an incredibly safe and powerful space for women. The whole platform is designed to cut down on bias. It creates a space where you can just highlight your skills, share your journey, and really own your professional story. The focus is 100% on your capabilities, period.
Okay, enough of the why. Let's get our hands dirty with the how. We are going to build your profile right now, step by step. Ready? Let's do this. First things first, just head over to linkedin.com and hit that big Join Now button. From there, pop in a professional email address, create a good, strong password, and then fill in the basics: your first name, last name, city, and country. That's it for step one.
Okay, this next screen is a pretty important one. LinkedIn is going to ask for your most recent job title. Now, if you're a recent grad or you're still in school, don't worry. You're just going to select the option that says, I'm a student. This will make sure the rest of the process is tailored just for you. So, if you clicked I'm a student, the rest is super straightforward. Just add your university or school, fill in your degree and what you're studying, and then enter your start year and when you expect to finish. See? You don't need any professional experience to get started. Just confirm you're over 16 and you're good to go.
All right, quick pause here. Go check your email inbox. LinkedIn just sent you a verification code. You'll need to grab that and enter it on the site to keep going.
Okay, your account is officially created, but now it needs a face. Your profile photo is basically your digital handshake. It's the very first thing people see, and it totally sets the tone for your whole profile. So the goal here is pretty simple. You want to look professional, but also approachable. Go for a clear, forward-facing headshot, ideally with a nice, clean background. Smart casual or formal clothes are perfect. What you don't want are group photos, no selfies, and definitely avoid anything with a distracting background, and make sure your face is clearly visible. And just like that, the first step is done. With that photo uploaded, your professional journey on LinkedIn has officially begun. So seriously, congratulations! Your basic profile is now live. You officially have a presence on the world's largest professional network. You should take a second to appreciate that. That's a pretty big deal.
But of course, this is just the beginning, right? The real question is, what comes next? How do you take this simple profile and turn it into a real powerhouse career tool?
The next step is all about fleshing it out. You'll want to add a really compelling headline that grabs attention, start listing out your skills, showcase any cool certifications you have, and of course, write that About section that really tells your story. Oh, and start following companies you admire. I'll just leave you with this thought. Your network is your net worth. And by creating this profile today, you've just taken the first, most important step toward building that value. Your journey really does start now. So what are you waiting for? Go for it!